Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. Today we are going to discuss about another important dualism in geographical studies, that is ideographic versus nomothetic. This is a philosophy of geography. Okay, this is an important topic for UGC NET examination in geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the class, subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, what is a dualism in geography? A dualism is a philosophical debate between two contrasting but complementary approaches, methods, or perspectives within geography. Nature, fundamental tensions in how geographers think, study, and explain spatial phenomena. Origin, rooted in broader philosophy of science debates, empiricism versus rationalism, particular versus universal. Relevance shapes methodology, research design, and theoretical frameworks in geography. Okay, key dualisms: ideographic versus nomothetic, physical versus human, regional versus systematic, theoretical versus applied, determinism versus possibilism. Okay, major dualisms in geographical studies: ideographic versus nomothetic, unique regional description versus universal lawmaking, physical versus human, natural environment versus human social geography, regional versus systematic, area-based study versus thematic and topical study, determinism versus possibilism, environment controls humans versus humans have choice, theoretical versus applied, abstract model building versus practical problem solving. Okay, ideographic versus nomothetic is the most frequently tested dualism in UGC NET examination. Okay, the ideographic approach, from Greek word eidos, that means particular, divided by our own. Core idea: every place, region, and phenomena is unique and must be studied on its own terms. Focuses on the particular, not the universal. Emphasis on uniqueness of place, descriptive analysis, regional synthesis, contextual understanding. And methods are case studies, regional monographs, historical geography, qualitative research. And proponents: Immanuel Kant, Carl Oswald, Richard Hudson, Vidal de la Blasi. Hudson, 1939, geography is the study of areal differentiation and understanding what makes each region distinctive. Then the nomothetic approach, from Greek word nomos, that means law and universal rule. Core idea is that geography should discover laws and theories applicable universally. Places are instances of general principles, not unique entities. Emphasis on lawmaking, nomothesis, scientific explanation, generalization, prediction, and testing. Methods are quantitative methods, statistical analysis, model building, hypothesis testing. Proponents are Fred Schaeffer, Walter Christeller, William Bang, and Peter Heget. Schaeffer, 1953, geography must be concerned with the formulation of law governing the spatial distribution of certain features on the surface of the earth. Okay, this is the comparative table between ideographic versus nomothetic approach. Criterion: ideographic and nomothetic. Goal: describe the unique, discover universal laws. Unit of study: individual region, place, spatial patterns and systems. Method: qualitative and descriptive, quantitative and statistical. Philosophical base: historicism and hermeneutics and positivism and empiricism. Key period: pre-1950s, classical era, 1950s to 1970s, quantitative revolution. Key thinkers: Hudson, Kant, and Schaeffer, Heget, and Bang. Schaeffer's 1953 article, Exceptionalism in Geography, is a pivotal text. It formally initiated the ideographic versus nomothetic debate in geography. Okay, historical development of the debate. 1781, Kant classifies geography as ideographic, studies of particular places and times. 1939, Hudson's The Nature of Geography, definitive defense of ideographic approach. 1953, Schaeffer's Exceptionalism in Geography, nomothetic manifesto attacks Hudson. 1960s, quantitative revolution peaks, nomothetic models dominate, Christeller and Heget. 1970s, humanistic geography rise, critics of nomothetic reductionism, Tuan and Ralph. 1980s, post-positivism, both approaches indicated dualism in geographic methodology. Other major dualisms in geography: environmental determinism, nature determines human culture and society, Russell, Semple, and Huntington. Possibilism, environment sets limits but humans have free choices, Vidal, Blasi, and Flavy. Physical geography studies natural systems, climate, geomorphology, soil and hydrology. Human geography studies human activity, culture, economy, and society in spatial context. Regional geography, integrative aerial study of all phenomena in a region, chronological approach. Systematic geography, topical study of specific phenomena globally, example economic or political geography. This is like some critics and modern synthesis. Critics of ideographic: no room for generalization or laws, cannot make predictions, overly descriptive, lacks history or lacks theory, difficult to compare across regions, accused of exceptionalism, Schaeffer. Critics of nomothetic: ignores uniqueness of place and culture, dehumanize geography, reductionist, oversimplifies reality, statistical models, miss local context, criticized by humanistic geography. Modern synthesis post-1980s geography embraced pluralism using both ideographic richness and nomothetic rigor, mixed methods, qualitative and quantitative, GIS with case studies and critical geography all blend both traditions. The dualism is now seen as a spectrum rather than a binary opposition. Key thinkers: Ideographic, Immanuel Kant classified geography versus as ideographic studies of particular place and times, influenced Hudson. Ideographic, Carl Sawyer, cultural landscape approach, Berkeley School, historical and regional focus. Nomothetic, Friedrich Schaeffer, exceptionalism in geography, 1953, pivotal article launching Nomothetic revolution. Nomothetic, William Bang, theoretical geography, 1962, spatial science, quantitative approach. Ideographic, Richard Hudson, The Nature of Geography, 1939, Geography are Aerial Differentiation, most cited ideographic work. Ideographic, Vidal de la Blasi, Pace, Small Regions, Possibilism, General Divia, French Regional Tradition. Nomothetic, Peter Haggett, Locational Analysis in Human Geography, 1965, Key Nomothetic Text. Nomothetic, Walter Christeller, Central Place Theory, Classic Nomothetic Model of Settlement Patterns. Okay, there are some UGC NET practice questions. Question 1, who coined the term exceptionalism in geography and argued for a nomothetic approach? Correct answer is option number B, Schaeffer. Question number 2, the ideographic approach in geography is most closely associated with? Correct answer is option number C, aerial differentiation. Question number 3, the Nature of Geography, 1939, a landmark of ideographic work, was written by? Correct answer is option number B, Richard Hudson. Okay, summary and UGC NET exam tips. Key takeaways: ideographic means particular, unique and descriptive, pre-1950s. Nomothetic means general and lawmaking and quantitative, 1950s to 1970s. Schaeffer's 1950 Silence, Hudson, 1939. No, both dogs. Quantitative revolution, nomothetic peak. Humanistic geography, reaction against nomothetic approach. Modern geography, pluralist, both approaches valid. Exam tips: memorize Schaeffer's 1953 and Hudson, 1939. Know all 5 dualisms plus key thinkers. Kant's rule in classifying geography as ideography, quantitative revolution as nomothetic approach, possibilism, Vidal, reaction to determinism as Rajel. Okay, these are some important topics for NET examination. Always remember this. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.